and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect.
I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you like no one has ever made you feel. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you right, I will.
M'a pu imaginer la vie sans nous, mais c'est comme si moi t'es assis pour tourner. Ou point qu'aime, ou c'est fort, moi. Moi pas besoin de loin, on l'a tiré, besoin, moi pas fait fort.
I don't wanna know if you blame me, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you craving, please don't
Laying in the moonlight glow. When you get like this, I know you are now my man on the moon. Everything it seemed just fine till the end of summertime. You would start to pull away in sadness, and now you ask to use my car. Drive it all day and don't fill up the tank. Then you have the audacity to even come and step to me. Ask to hold some money from me until you get your check next week. You trifling.
Faut qu'on soit beau, tu mérites le trop, tout le monde le sait. Faut qu'on soit beau, tu mérites le trop, tout le monde le sait. Comme
I'm looking for real love. I'm searching for real love. Someone to set my heart free, real love. Oh, I'm searching for real love.
Hey, flow switcher, let me paint a picture. Who you think done clean me out with dirtier than dishes? After Thanksgiving, now I'm thankful I'm forgiven. Since then I'm living for my Savior who was risen.
I love. Do you ever dream of candy-coated raindrops? Do the same, I candy rain. Hey, I like the way you work it. I got the back.
Let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide. The rest of my life, why in my soul? You're love, girl, the way you whine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you're my woman, my superwoman. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. But just kill a man one time, everything that you do is fine. Oh my love, I'm falling in love with the way that you bump and grind. But just kill a man one time, everything that you do. Baby brasa tombe, m'papa la. Pour bien virer à partisan, m'souti à vadra screaming. I hate her like the nigga from NY with a crisp white tee like a nigga doing time. All you have is commissary money. On 2-3 hippolyte pour vendre ou pas bouillir, homie. L'argent, l'argent, c'est pas moins deal. Everything comes easy. Tout bagaille l'huile, ma nigga. Poche moins l'huile, femme moins l'huile, femme moins. Ou déjà ouais c'est la caille.
Let me tell you.
Thumbs up and fly.
I agree. I don't know. Like, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe.
No, thumbs up.
Well, I just hate Christianity. Sorry, guys, but I do. I hate sometimes just church and people's beliefs because I promise you, all of us could be in God's hands if we read the scripture, believed, and helped each other and loved each other. Guys, we would have been a pastor. I'm in this video going viral, so I'm like, let's go ignore it. And it's popping up. So I went to go watch Mr. Pastor. Mr. Pastor. I was so shocked, I promise you. I watched the video like 7 times, you know, because I had to like analyze the video. That soda, and I look at him, and he's like, okay, I just thought you didn't drink soda. Because nobody wants to hear that fact. I know I'm fat. Since I look at my body, I know my body. My chicken wings, and how you know that song?
I need to go to sleep.
Yeah, go to sleep. Night, night.
Yeah. I take a cold hard look at the world now. Hold my hand out, got a plan now. I'ma help be the change cause I can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard, okay. I think I get it now, don't wanna let them down. I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my notes. Teach them what I wrote, teach them all the hope. Keep them on the road to the dream. All I need is a team, build your own self-esteem. You can do anything, prove everything. Say what you mean and believe in your dream. Find that thing that you love, that you really wanna be. And don't give up till you've given absolutely everything. Yeah. Give me a chance now to prove that you're something.